So I just saw on Twitter that World of Warcraft has teamed up with Waze, the navigation app. I've always been a Google Maps guy, but I am now switching to Waze after seeing this. Look at this. So there's this new feature where, first of all, it changes your car to be a little dragon. And the best part is that Thrall is the voice of the navigation system. Watch this. Okay, you ready?
In 0.1 miles, turn right. Turn right. Make a U-turn. Perhaps you made a mistake. Or perhaps not. No matter. Our destination is unchanged. We have arrived. My heart aches to return to my beloved Agra and our children.